Hello kids, welcome back to Tinkerly's YouTube channel once again. Today we are here to learn how to add audio to a Scratch sprite. There are three ways in which you can add audio or music to your Scratch project. Use one of the available Scratch sounds from the library by connecting a microphone to your computer and using it to record a sound in Scratch and add it to your sprite. Use a converter to convert any audio or video into an MP3 and then import it into Scratch. To use one of the pre-built sounds in Scratch, you can select the sprite or the stage. You can add sounds by clicking the Sounds tab and then adding the sound button. It will show you a list of the available sounds which are already pre-built into Scratch. By hovering your mouse over the play button, you can check the sound before adding it to your sprite. By clicking the square, you can add the sound of your choice for your project. The final step is to add the sound to the sound blocks. There are lots of sound related blocks in Scratch. It allows you to manipulate the sound how you want. The sound blocks have a pink color coding. For example, in the sound block, play sound until done plays the entire piece of audio. There are much more when it comes to adding sound and also other methods of adding sound which we can see in the upcoming videos. Until next time, keep learning how to code.